Hello, Willard. Nice to meet you in cyberspace, at least. I appreciate your continual participation in the class. Overboard in submissions. Well, only be careful about file size, and I think your submission was like 9 megabytes, which is really not bad at all. So that's fine. Anyway, I bid you strength, and know that I'm available from now until the end of the term regarding the class. Here's your package unzipped. It's 25 megabytes, not too bad at all. There's your rough draft, which I remember you sent to me via email. So I finally get a chance to take a look at it. And here are, let's see, what are they? Okay, these are screenshots then of your manipulations. Useful skill to have, isn't it? Increasing the vibrance. In your final reflection, towards the end of and here's the style guide, showing you that you used it and how you compiled your ad. It's really instructive. And this will make it, with some narrative, this will be your final reflection in week 8. Nice job. Now, Willard, when I go to open up your Illustrator file, it's asking me for some linked images. This is conference room, altered version, backup, JPEG. You'll have to include those with your file or learn how to embed them. So I'm just going to click through these, because I don't have them or have access to them, to get a look at your file structure. And let me zoom out. So I see you've added type. We'll look at this in a second. I see that the logo is not distorted, so that's good. And it is on some versions of your ad, I've noticed. I think it was condensed on the final. And you can turn things on or off, which is great. So in terms of file structure, it's very proficient. Okay, so Willard, I'm looking at just an enlargement of the thumbnail, and this does not look so distorted. So I'm sorry about thinking that it was. For some reason, maybe all these vertical lines, or perhaps it's the image behind it that looks compressed. These chairs look a little compressed. I don't know. You'll be the judge of that, since you're you were the one who selected the photos. And I think the photos are a combination of things that you have done yourself, shots you've taken yourself, as well as stock photography. It's a nice, they hang together pretty much color-wise, and they complement this too. This could be smaller. I would avoid breaking words like boulevard. And it's kind of gappy. You see all those big spaces. See what you can do to close some of that up. I would make it flush left, rag right. Okay, I'm going to leave it here, Willard, but if you have any other questions regarding the class, know that I'm available. It's usually, I'll try to get back to you as quickly as possible. Sometimes I need a reminder, though, and it's probably best to communicate through the general questions discussion board. That way everybody sees it, and you'll find that quite a few people have the same issue, and we can crowdsource the solution.